Are you ready for calendar time? Good! Then sing with me.
Sunday, Monday, what comes next? Tuesday, Wednesday, you know the rest. Thursday and Friday, it's nearly the end until Saturday, start of the weekend. Yeah! In January and February, we're starting the year. March and April, spring is here. Now it's May and June and we're having fun. July and August, we're soaking up the sun. Autumn breeze in September and October too. November, remember thankfulness, and December. The year is through. It's calendar time.
Today is Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. Do you know what yesterday was? Yesterday was Tuesday, June 15th, 2021. Yesterday was someone's birthday. We celebrated their birthday on Monday, June 14th. If you want to hear us sing for that birthday, make sure to watch Monday's calendar time. Do you know what tomorrow will be? Tomorrow will be Thursday, June 17th, 2021. Today's number is the number 16. Let's count down from 16 together. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count up from 16 together. 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's do number bonds with our number 16. We'll put 16 in the large circle. Let's split 16 into two smaller pieces. Two things that add together to make 16. I think we could use doubles to help us. Two of the same number that adds together to make 16. Half of 16. 8 and 8. That's doubles. Two 8s go together to make 16. 8 plus 8 equals 16. Let's do another number bond. We'll keep the 16 in the big circle. This time, let's put 10 in one of the small circles. 10 in one circle. What would go in the other small circle? Well, 10 is 1 10. There's 1 10 in 16, 1 in the tens place. How many is in the ones place? 6. So let's put 6 in the other small circle. 10 plus 6 equals 16. That's expanded form for 16. Splitting 16 into the tens place and the ones place. Okay, let's move 16 to one of the small circles. Now, what should we put in the large circle? It has to be bigger than 16 because 16 has to be a piece of it. 17. 17 minus 16 is 1. 1 goes in the small circle because 16 is just 1 less than 17. What else could we put in the big circle? Another number that's bigger than 16. Let's use 20. 20 will go in the big circle. What goes in the other small circle? We're splitting 20 up into 2 pieces. 16 is one piece. Let's count up to find out what the other piece is. We'll start at 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4 is the other piece. 20 minus 16 equals 4. Thanks for doing number bonds with me. Now, let's make some change. Let's make 16 cents. What coin would you like to use? A dime? How much is a dime worth? Yes, a dime is worth 10 cents. Let's start with 1 dime. 10. Now what coin would you like to use? Pennies? Okay, pennies are worth 1 cent. Let's count up from 10 by ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 dime and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies makes 16 cents. Let's make way 2 starting with a dime again. 10 cents. 10. Now this time, instead of using 6 pennies, what other coin could we use? We could use a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, which means we could use 5 less pennies. 10 and a 5. That means we could use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 less pennies. We'll only need to use 1 more penny to get to 16. A dime and 6 pennies. A dime, a nickel, and 1 penny. 2 ways to make 16 cents. What's the weather like where you are today? Are you making a weather bar graph at your home? Remember, you can click on the link below and print out a bar graph to keep track of the weather where you are. Today, we're having a cloudy day here. Let's add cloudy to our calendar time weather bar graph. Let's make the bar a little taller above cloudy. This is our second cloudy day of calendar time. We've also had 1 rainy day, 1 sunny day, and 1 partly cloudy day during June, July, and August. Are you ready to add to our Doodlebug? 86. Look how long the Doodlebug is getting. Let's count by 2s. Count with me. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Let's count by sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Let's count by 25s. 25, 50, 75. Are you ready to add another straw? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10 straws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 1 straw, 8 groups of 10, 8 tens, 6 groups of 1, 6 ones, makes 86 straws. For 86 days that we've had calendar time. Are you ready to see what happened today in history? Let's take a look. Do you know what bridge this is? On June 16th, 1936, the Waalbrug Bridge in the Netherlands opened. Until 1936, all traffic had to use the ferry or the railway bridge. 20 years earlier, a committee had started planning for the construction of a bridge, but the First World War delayed the plans. At the start of the Second World War, the Waalbrug was blown up, and in 1944, the Germans planned to blow up the bridge again. But Jan van Hoof, a rover scout, managed to prevent that. They sure were persistent about building the Waalbrug Bridge. They needed a bridge there because it was hard to get across the river. They planned one, but things just kept on slowing them down. And then when it was built, it got blown up and they had to build it again. But their persistence paid off because the Waalbrug Bridge is still standing today. Are you persistent when something is difficult or when it takes a long time to do? I hope that you are, because persistence pays off. Because when you're persistent, you can get things done. Today, Wednesday, June 16th, 2021. When you encounter something that's difficult or that's going to take a long time, let's be persistent and keep on working to make it happen.
Go check the calendar and you can say what month